Hey guys, it's Mr. G and we're taking a look at Pixlr. So when you're getting started, your first couple units, you're just going to click this Create New button. And we are going to use the Full HD. If I scroll down just a little, you'll see the dimensions 1920 by 1080. That's what we're going to use for everything. Our banner will be different, but we'll deal with that a few lessons later. So I click Create, and now I'm into an open unit and I'm ready to go. If I need to get back to the home, I click over here, which is the home. And let's say you'll notice there's a lot of projects here. I'm not having to save these. They just stay on Pixlr as long as I'm not deleting my cookies. This will all stay here. So you can see I have several little projects that I was working on. Later, like the third and fourth projects, we're going to load images you find on the internet. So I click right here, load URL, and we'll just paste the link of the picture that you find. You'll deal with that one a little bit later on. So you won't have to do much saving. Once you get into your projects, you'll have all the tools to work with, and obviously the most important part is watching these tutorial videos that you'll see. Each one will walk you through step by step. Make sure you're watching those. Pause it, rewind it, watch it as many times as you need to so you can make your creations, and eventually you're going to load up. You're going to have 5 different creations here in Pixlr. So you can go ahead and get started, and good luck.